volcano? Yeah, I said volcano, West Virginia. I sure did. We went down to the World War II memorial with the sub, the dedication to all the U.S. Navy people, people that lost their lives, and the people that are here today. Now we're down at Boomtown Volcano, West Virginia. We're down here looking at all the oil. Museum's closed today, but we still get to see all everything about this town and the beauty of it. And here we are. Thornhill Mansion. Some oil-filled engine here. Commercial.